Welcome to Echotraders. Here's a brief description of where we want the market to go to take some money. Is 33.34. This is CL, sweet crude. We'll come back and keep you updated. It's almost 9 o'clock. We're looking for the volume to come in at 9 o'clock, push us right to target and beyond. Come back and keep it posted. My name is Dale Elliott. You're in the Echotraders trading room. Okay, here we are at 9:30. It took till 9:30. That volume that we were looking for finally popped that up to our money off at 33.34. Now we'll see if we can hang on to a runner to the next target is 3345. Okay, here we are. The next target reached 33.45 and the market just barely gets there. We'll zoom in on this here area here. We see this here time and time again. Now remember the area that we're talking about here is the blue dash line. So this here will zoom in. Market just barely gets here and does a pullback right there. And the same as these here targets up from our moving average, our support, our target gets reached, market pulls back to the support and we put the money back on. And this is what we look for on a regular basis. Now we'll unzoom, see if we can get to our next target. And that's 3361. And the same thing should happen if we can get up there to 3361. We should be able to see the same thing. The market just barely get there, maybe 6 ticks beyond, and then a pullback again. So from a support area here, the live time is 10:47 this morning. The market here has pulled back to this here support bottom shaded area here, and we'll look to go to continue taking out highs. We have a few more to go to the exhaustion target, and the chart has zoomed in because of the time specified. 3361 will be our exhaustion. Look for exhaustion. That doesn't mean it'll stop there. It just means that once it gets there, we're looking for a pullback. If the market does not continue to take out highs from support. We're looking at support moving up as we go, and we're looking for the highs to continue to be taken out. Now this is a little stumbling problem here, but we'll look for that to continue, and you're going to lock in your money from you still have moving average alignment to the upside, so we'll hang on to this as long as we can. Okay, so the highs are still continuing being taken out, and we'll just take this here little ellipse off here, and we'll see if we can get up. Now each target, of course, is a resistance target, and we'll see if we can continue. This here little red dash is, of course, a very specific problem area. So make sure that if you are still holding on to a long, or if you've added to your position, that you lock in money. This is each step of the way. It's like 2 steps forward and 1 back, and we get this a lot. We have moving average alignment to the upside, and what moving average alignment means is for a long position, your smallest moving average that you're using is above your larger moving average, and we call that alignment, and vice versa if it was to the downside. All right, so you can see this here little 33.34. The market is stalling right there. This here was a money off, and it's and this here red dash is at 38. So the market just came to there, so you must lock in money in case the move goes against us. Okay, here we are. We're not too far from that target, within 10 ticks. We extended this here red dash line. We wanted to see that become your new support, at least temporarily, so we can get to our exhaustion target of 3361, and we're almost there, within half a dozen ticks, and that makes a pretty decent trade for if we can get there, and we'll look for a little beyond. So the last, I'll use this here ellipse, the last high that we had to take out here is right up here, and the market has taken that out, and we'll look for a little pullback and more support to come in and more volume to come in and push us right up to our exhaustion target. Now this year may take a few more candles. Okay, here we are. It is 17 minutes after 11 a.m. Eastern time, and the target here we were looking for is 33.61. I'll put the crosshairs on 33.61 right there. So the market has just barely reached that exhaustion. Our black and yellow is exhaustion, emphasis on look for exhaustion, and the market, I would say, pretty well did what we were looking for it to do. So this was what you can expect from an open house. We'd like you to sign up for the next open house as soon as possible, and we'll have a spot on our website to do that. So that way you can be in the running for the next open house and the one after that. So until next time, trade well, my friends, and we hope to see you at our next event. Thank you.